show in triangle ABC that a plus b sin c by 2 is equal to c cos a minus b by 2. Another question, show in triangle ABC that b minus c by a is equal to sin b minus c by 2 secant a by 2. Types of these two we have already done in the previous cases, so please follow the earlier type and solve these two questions. I am proceeding to solve another question now. Please see. Show in triangle ABC that 1 plus cos a minus b cos c by 1 minus 1 plus cos a minus c cos b is equal to a square plus b square by a square plus c square. Solving, please see. This is the left hand side, 1 plus cos a minus b cos c by 1 plus cos a minus c cos b. This is the left hand side. We have to prove this is equal to a square plus b square by a square plus c square. Cos c, refer your previous notes, cos c is minus cos a plus b. Cos c is minus cos a plus b. Cos b is minus cos a plus c. Understand the work done. Cos c is equal to minus cos a plus b and cos b is equal to minus cos a plus c. I am writing for your reference. Please see here. This has already come in the previous work, that is why no further explanation is needed now. Cos c is minus cos a plus b, cos b is minus cos a plus c. This is plus, this is minus, multiplying minus cos a minus b cos a plus b. Similarly here 1 minus cos a minus c cos a plus c. Now we have got some formula in trigonometry which again you have to remember. Please see. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b, sin square a minus sin square b. This formula you have to remember. Similarly, there is another formula for cos. Cos a plus b cos a minus b. Please listen to me here. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b sin square a minus sin square b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b. Don't try to strike similarity, there are two different formulae. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b. This formula I am going to apply here. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b, this formula will come here. Please see carefully now. Cos a minus b cos a plus b, this is product cos square a minus sin square b. Similar application to this also, cos a minus c cos a plus c, same formula cos square a minus sin square c. Cos a plus b cos a minus b cos square a minus sin square b. This formula may be used somewhere. Please remember this also. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. So I have substituted these formulae for here. Proceed, open the bracket, 1 minus cos square a plus sin square b (1 minus cos square a plus sin square c). 1 minus cos square A is sin square A plus sin square B. 1 minus cos square A again sin square A plus sin square C. Sin square A plus sin square B by sin square A plus sin square C, you have already known. This is by proportionality property, A square plus B square by A square plus C square. You can write if you want by proportionality. Though not necessary, yet I have written A square plus B square by A square plus C square. This is your right hand side. One more question, please see. If C is equal to 90 degrees, show in triangle ABC that A square plus B square by A square minus B square into sin A minus B is equal to 1. Look here. Since C is equal to 90 degrees, therefore small c is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Since angle C is 90 degrees, small c is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Have a look here. So opposite side is small c. This opposite side is small a. This opposite side is small b. Opposite capital A, small a, opposite capital B, small b, opposite capital C, small c. C is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, A square plus B square is equal to C square. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now your left hand side. A square plus B square by A square minus B square into sin A minus B. This is your left hand side, to be proved to be equal to 1, we will see. Now A square plus B square, I am writing C square. By proportionality property again, this is C square by A square minus B square. I will write sin square C by sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square C by sin square A minus sin square B into sin A minus B. In one of the questions earlier, I have already told you sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. So, I am writing now sin A plus B into sin A minus B here. Sin square C by sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Understand? C square by A square minus B square by proportionality property, sin square C by sin square A minus sin square B, and then sin square C as it is, sin square A minus sin square B, there is a formula, sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. So, sin square A minus sin square B is substituted for sin A plus B into sin A minus B into sin A minus B. This is a part of our question. These two will cancel now. After cancellation of these two, what is left out? Let us see. Sin square C by sin A plus B. You know sin A plus B is sin C. Once again reminding you, sin A plus B is sin C. This is already given in the beginning of this chapter. Sin A plus B is equal to sin C. I have substituted. After cancellation, this becomes sin C. And you know C is 90 degrees. You have to prove is equal to 1. It is proved. Another question, please see. If a square plus b square by a square minus b square is equal to sin C by sin A minus B, show that the triangle is right angled. A similar question, be guided by this question and solve this question yourself. If you don't get, you can refer to me again. I am explaining something more, please see here now. This sigma notation. Sigma will be frequently used, not only here, elsewhere also. So be very thorough and clear about the use of this notation. See here. This capital Greek letter sigma is used to denote summation. See now, if I write sigma x, it means x plus y plus z. This comes from the cyclic order. If I write sigma x, I mean x plus y plus z. If I write sigma y, y plus z plus x. If I write sigma z, z plus x plus y. You can see all these three are same. X plus y plus z, y plus z plus x, z plus x plus y, all are same. So that means sigma x is the same as sigma y is the same as sigma z. Similarly, if I get sigma sin square A, it means sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C. And sin square B also same thing. Sigma sin square B is also the same as sigma sin square C. Sigma will be frequently used in solving questions. See one example, it will be clear. Show in triangle ABC that sigma A sin B minus sin C is equal to 0. Sigma A into sin B minus sin C is equal to 0. I am solving, please see. Before beginning this question, please see here. You know the sin formula, sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C. I am supposing sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C is equal to K. So, sin A will be AK, sin B will be BK, sin C will be CK. This is what we have supposed. Sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C is equal to K. Accordingly, sin A is AK, sin B is BK, sin C is CK. I am proceeding to solve this question now. Please see the left hand side. Sigma A sin B minus sin C. Proceed. Sigma A sin B is BK, sin C is CK. Sin B is BK, sin C is CK, K is common. A into B minus C. A into B minus C. Proceed. Opening this sigma, A into B minus C. After A, B comes, C here. Once again you can see ABC. It is A into B minus C. Now next will be B into C minus A. Next will be C into A minus B. This must have come in the earlier classes also, but still I am explaining once again. A into B minus C, B into C minus A, C into A minus B. Open all the brackets, AB minus CA plus BC minus AB plus CA minus BC. All these terms will cancel, leaving 0 here.